Number 1. 1980 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead 1000, $3,000, Huntley, Illinois. The 1980 Harley-Davidson Sportster Ironhead 1000 represents one of the final chapters of Harley's legendary Ironhead era, making it an appealing choice for riders who appreciate classic American V-twins. Known for its unmistakable exhaust note, rugged construction, and timeless styling, the Ironhead continues to enjoy strong demand among enthusiasts looking for an authentic vintage Harley experience. According to the seller, this motorcycle has approximately 12,000 miles and remains in great overall condition. Both the engine and transmission have been rebuilt locally, and a few tasteful upgrades have been added while most of the original parts, including the handlebars, are included with the sale. With a clean title and a reputation for running well, it appears to be a solid classic that's simply not being ridden anymore. Number 2. 1978 BMW R80/7, $2,900, Portland, Oregon. The 1978 BMW R80/7 is one of BMW's most respected airhead models, combining the smooth performance of its boxer twin engine with dependable touring comfort and classic European styling. These motorcycles have earned an excellent reputation for longevity, making them favorites among collectors as well as riders who still enjoy putting serious miles on vintage machines. The seller reports that this R80/7 runs well and has recently received extensive maintenance, including carburetor service, valve adjustment, brake flushing, rebuild front brake components, fresh fluids, new pushrod tube seals, and a new battery. Showing honest patina while still presenting nicely, it also includes the original Krauser hard bags and left side cover. With a clean title and recent servicing completed, this BMW appears ready for its next adventure. Number 3. 1979 Honda CB650, $1,850, Albert Lea, Minnesota. The 1979 Honda CB650 helped expand Honda's famous inline-4 lineup by offering strong performance, smooth power delivery, and everyday reliability in a slightly lighter package than the larger CB750. Today, clean, original examples are becoming increasingly difficult to find, making them attractive to enthusiasts searching for affordable vintage Japanese motorcycles. According to the seller, this CB650 remains completely original and has recently been fitted with 2 new tires and a new battery. With just 8,829 miles showing on the odometer, it reportedly runs and drives well while retaining its classic appearance. For buyers wanting an inexpensive 4-cylinder classic with proven reliability and enjoyable road manners, this Honda presents an excellent opportunity. Number 4. 1971 Triumph 650, $3,400, Madison, Wisconsin. The 1971 Triumph 650 captures everything enthusiasts admire about classic British motorcycles, offering lightweight handling, distinctive styling, and the unmistakable character of Triumph's famous parallel twin engine. Matching number examples are especially appreciated because they preserve the originality that collectors often value in vintage British machines. The seller states that this motorcycle has undergone an extensive engine and transmission rebuild, including new pistons, rings, bearings, valve work, chains, wheel bearings, fork tubes, and additional restoration work throughout. Later model front disc brake forks improve stopping performance, while matching engine and frame numbers add collector appeal. Although it has a few cosmetic imperfections, the bike reportedly starts easily, runs great, and is ready to be enjoyed. Number 5. 1979 Suzuki GS1000E, $2,400, Vancouver, British Columbia. The 1979 Suzuki GS1000E is widely regarded as one of the standout Japanese superbikes of its era, combining a powerful inline-4 engine with impressive durability and strong performance. Its reputation for reliability and tuning potential has made the GS1000 a favorite among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts looking for a capable classic. According to the seller, this GS1000E starts and runs well and has been upgraded over the years with GS1100 components, electronic ignition, dyna coils, adjustable cam sprockets, and other performance improvements. While the motorcycle will need brake attention, a battery, and additional finishing work, the engine reportedly delivers strong power and the fuel tank remains in good condition inside. With a rebuilt title registration and extra GS1000 parts potentially available, this project offers plenty of potential for the next owner. Number 6. 1966 BSA 441 Victor, $4,350, Boise, Idaho. The 1966 BSA 441 Victor is a classic British single-cylinder motorcycle that became known for its lightweight design, off-road heritage, and unmistakable thumping engine character. As the first year of the desirable round barrel version, it holds a special place among BSA enthusiasts and continues to attract collectors looking for an authentic vintage British machine. According to the seller, this Victor is not a concours show bike but remains in original showroom-type condition with tasteful preservation. It features fresh paint, good tires, new electrical components and wiring, along with a recent tune-up and fresh oil service. The motorcycle reportedly runs well, is ready to ride, and also includes the desirable long dual BSA seat, making it an appealing package for both collectors and weekend riders. Number 7. 1975 Yamaha RD350, $4,250, Gallatin, Tennessee. The 1975 Yamaha RD350 remains one of the most legendary two-stroke sport motorcycles ever produced, celebrated for its lightweight chassis, lively parallel twin engine, and thrilling riding experience. Finished in striking mandarin orange, the RD350 continues to enjoy a loyal following among enthusiasts who appreciate classic performance motorcycles from the golden age of Japanese two-strokes. The seller describes this example as an easy restoration project that still runs well but likely needs engine seals replaced, with the required parts included in the sale. It has already received new tires and front brake components while also coming with an extensive collection of original factory parts, including the stock exhaust, seat, handlebars, lighting, and rear fender. Whether restored to factory specifications or kept in its current cafe racer style, this RD350 offers excellent potential for the next owner. Number 8. 1980 Vespa P125X, $2,200, Castle, California. The 1980 Vespa P125X is one of the most recognizable vintage scooters ever built, combining classic Italian styling with the simplicity of a reliable two-stroke engine and four-speed manual transmission. Models like the P125X remain popular because they offer an enjoyable riding experience while retaining the timeless design that made Vespa famous around the world. According to the seller, this scooter is a nice original example showing just over 3,100 miles on the odometer. It has been stored in a garage for several years and will need a carburetor cleaning along with a general inspection before regular use. The seller notes that it still starts and runs, making it a promising candidate for someone looking to bring a well-preserved vintage Vespa back into regular service. Number 9. 1980 Honda Goldwing GL 1100, $1,500, Curry, Minnesota. The 1980 Honda Goldwing GL 1100 helped establish Honda's reputation for building dependable long-distance touring motorcycles, offering smooth four-cylinder performance, excellent comfort, and remarkable reliability. Even decades later, these early Goldwings continue to attract riders searching for affordable touring classics with plenty of practical usability. The seller reports that this street-legal Goldwing runs great and has carburetors that have already been properly tuned. Showing approximately 48,500 miles, it includes hard luggage, foot pegs, and swing-away armrests that enhance its touring capability. With average condition tires, a clean title, and an asking price of only $1,500, it presents an inexpensive opportunity to own one of Honda's iconic touring motorcycles. Number 10. 1973 Triumph Tiger 750, $4,200, Wisconsin. The 1973 Triumph Tiger 750 represents one of Britain's best-known classic motorcycles, blending traditional styling with the strong performance of Triumph's famous parallel twin engine. Well-maintained Tigers remain highly desirable thanks to their simple mechanical design, enjoyable riding characteristics, and enduring appeal among vintage British motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this Tiger starts on the first kick and benefits from several desirable upgrades, including a Pazon electronic ignition, new tires, a new seat, and a professionally applied automotive-quality paint finish. Compression is reported at 120 psi, while polished alloy rims with stainless steel spokes further enhance its presentation. With a clean Wisconsin title and a reputation for running well, this motorcycle appears ready for many more enjoyable miles. Number 11. 1974 Honda CL450, $2,400, Colorado. The 1974 Honda CL450 remains one of Honda's most recognizable scrambler-style motorcycles, combining dependable engineering with versatile street performance and classic styling. Its upright riding position, reliable twin-cylinder engine, and growing collector interest have made the CL450 a favorite among enthusiasts looking for an affordable vintage Japanese motorcycle. According to the seller, this CL450 has been thoroughly gone over and is ready to enjoy. It features a new battery, good tires, a clean fuel tank, fresh oil, and includes both the original tool roll and owner's manual. The seller states that everything on the motorcycle works properly, making this a well-maintained example that offers an appealing combination of originality, reliability, and everyday rideability. Number 12. 1976 BMW R100 R7 Airhead, $3,950, Plymouth, Massachusetts. The 1976 BMW R100 R7 Airhead is one of BMW's most respected classic touring motorcycles, powered by the legendary Boxer twin engine that earned a reputation for durability and smooth long-distance performance. Original examples with relatively low mileage continue to attract collectors and riders who appreciate timeless engineering and practical vintage ownership. According to the seller, this motorcycle shows approximately 15,862 miles and was running and ridden as recently as fall 2025. It remains largely original with factory-style patina and received significant mechanical work in 2023, including a top-end rebuild carburetors, replacement piston rings, and ignition service. Complete with a clean title, current registration, and several extra parts, this Airhead offers an excellent foundation for riding, preservation, or a light restoration. Number 13. 1973 Yamaha DT3 250 Enduro, $2,500, Sunfield, Michigan. The 1973 Yamaha DT3 250 Enduro helped define the dual sport category by combining lightweight trail capability with full street legality. Its rugged two-stroke engine and simple construction continued to make the DT series popular among vintage off-road enthusiasts who appreciate motorcycles that are both collectible and fun to ride. The seller reports that this DT3 runs, but will require new crankcase seals before returning to regular use. Several maintenance items have already been completed, including new cables, chain, sprockets, points, and condenser, while the frame and fenders have been repainted. With a clean Michigan title and only the fuel tank needing cosmetic attention, this Yamaha presents an attractive restoration project with plenty of potential. Number 14. 1968 BSA A65 Thunderbolt, $5,000, Virginia Beach, Virginia. The 1968 BSA A65 Thunderbolt is one of Britain's best-loved parallel twins, admired for its classic styling, strong performance, and unmistakable vintage character. Well-sorted examples remain highly desirable thanks to their mechanical simplicity and the enjoyable riding experience they continue to deliver more than 5 decades after production. According to the seller, this Thunderbolt starts easily, runs smoothly, shifts well, and benefits from an extensively rebuilt 1971 engine with fewer than 1,000 miles since completion. Additional upgrades include a Pazon electronic ignition, Barnett clutch, stainless rims and spokes, Wassel carburetor, lithium battery, upgraded charging system, LED headlight, and numerous reliability improvements. Combined with a rust-free original fuel tank and clean title, it appears to be an exceptionally well-prepared vintage British motorcycle.
Number 15. 1965 Yamaha YM1 305, $900, Wilmington, North Carolina. The 1965 Yamaha YM1 305 represents one of Yamaha's early twin-cylinder street motorcycles, helping establish the company's reputation for lightweight performance and dependable engineering during the 1960s. Today, surviving examples have become increasingly uncommon, making them appealing to collectors interested in early Japanese motorcycle history. According to the seller, this YM1 comes with a title, runs, and has already received new tires and a new battery. Offered in running condition and sold as is, it provides an affordable entry point into vintage motorcycle ownership. For buyers looking for a classic Yamaha with restoration potential at a budget-friendly price, this rare early model deserves a closer look.